Hey guys, today is going to be a thrift haul. It's going to be fairly quick. I just have a few things from one trip and then I have 3 other things from other places that I want to show you, and I have some really cool items today, so make sure to stick around until the end. My Instagram is rebel_rose_co, and then down below this video and in my link tree in my Instagram, I have links for all kinds of stuff for Poshmark VA, Vendu, for my Poshmark, all kinds of stuff. So if you want to find me anywhere, you can go down below or go to my Instagram links. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. So this first pair of shoes, they are so cute. They are Mark Fisher. And shoes from Mark Fisher can retail for a decent amount. They are pointy-toed, kind of like kitten heels, I guess you could say. I don't know how to describe it. They're very short. They're practically flats, but they have gold hardware and then these fake pearls, and they just look really classy. They have an adjustable strap. I'm sure they're genuine leather. Oh, damn. All man-made materials. That's surprising because Mark Fisher's pretty expensive. But yeah, they're in pretty good condition. They have a little bit of scuffing on the toes, but these would be great for like a office job or like just something that has to be like a little bit fancy. So yeah, I really like these. I'm excited to list those. So if you're new here, I would love if you subscribed, and you can watch my content whenever. I have a lot of different stuff. If you liked, commented, or subscribed, that helps me out a lot. I know I say that in every video, but for really small channels, any tiny bit of engagement helps a lot. Okay, so this is from a garage sale. It is the brand Love Addy, and it doesn't have a size tag, so I'm gonna have to estimate size. I think it was $3 because I bought it. I was like hoping it would fit me because I had no size, so I couldn't tell. No way it was gonna fit me. So it kind of reminds me of self-portrait dresses. The brand Self-Portrait, they have that like floral lace crochet style. It's a midi dress, so it's a little longer, just really pretty. So even though this brand is not like a really expensive brand, I think that this is going to sell just based on style. So I'm really excited to list this. All right, this next item was actually in a very old haul, and then I thought that it was a whatever brand, so I threw it in a Thredup box. And then an Instagrammer, she also has a YouTube channel, I believe. I will put her name here. I believe it's Leah Karen, something like that. She commented and told me that this is an expensive brand. So I had this shelf in the garage, this like tall like mezzanine thing, and I had like a ton of Thredup boxes on there. I just recently pulled them all down because I got more Thredup labels, sent what I could into Thredup, and then I just took the rest of the stuff to consignment stores because I'm really trying to pare down on stuff and only list stuff if it's like worth a decent amount. I'm just trying to get rid of some mall brands and stuff. So anyway, that's all empty, and I pulled this out of the box. It is Joah Brown. This tag, I think, is why I thought it was cheap. The font reminds me of like, I don't know, like a lot of TJ Maxx brands and Ross brands. I feel like they look like that. It just didn't seem expensive. It is made in the USA. It's one size. I think it's like an athletic wear brand. It has some dolman sleeves. So I am so grateful for her comment. Otherwise, I would not have known that this was worth anything. All right, so then the rest of this stuff is from one trip to the thrift store. I got all of this stuff at once. So yeah, the tags, there was some color tag that was half off. This, honestly guys, I thrifted this stuff probably like 8 months ago. Yeah, a long time ago. I'm being really bad at listing. I'm finally trying to get back in the groove. Today I'm going to film a few videos. I actually have a hard goods haul. It's like sometimes some of this stuff is not stuff I'm super excited about, so then it takes me a little while. So I'm trying to be better at that and only get stuff I'm like excited to list. But anyway, back there I have the rest of my men's estate sale haul, and then I went to like a flea market kind of thing and I got a ton of stuff there, so I have to film that. So I'm going to be doing a lot of that today, and then I will get to listing it. But anyway, where I was going with that is that I don't know if any of these were half off. I don't think they were, but yeah. Okay, so this first one is Zyia Active. It's Zyia Active. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. This was $2. And it's just a gray sweatshirt, and it has this cute little patch with a moon and mountains. Super cute. I would definitely wear this. I have sold this brand one time before. It was a pair of leggings, and they sold within like 3 hours of me listing them. And then I never found that brand any other time. So, okay, this is Morbid Threads. I had never heard of this brand. Do any of you guys listen to the podcast Morbid? It's unrelated to this, but if you have any true crime podcast recommendations, that's like exclusively what I listen to. Every once in a while I'll listen to something else, but a lot of the content that I consume is true crime. So if you have any suggestions, I've already listened to a lot of stuff, but if you have anything that's like a little more obscure that you listen to, you should definitely let me know. Anyway, this was $3. And it is a very long shirt or dress. I guess it could be whatever you want it to be. I need to fold down this. It is white and it has ruffles down the front. I'm guessing this would probably be worn as a dress. The sleeves are cinched and then they go out like this. Yeah, this is kind of like a creepy looking dress. It reminds me of like, I don't know, like what you'd wear to a funeral, but like in black or something. But it is cute, and comps looked pretty good, so I am excited to list that. A couple of these brands are things I had never heard of before. All right, this is Killstar. I had never heard of this brand before. These were $5. And actually, I just realized none of these things were half off because they didn't have different color tags. They're all red tags. So these are very, very small, but they're like these zippered, just like kind of like goth looking pants. They have a giant hole, another hole down here. I did just realize the butt is fairly worn, so I'm a little disappointed that I paid $5 for these. But yeah, it says, oh, that's cute. It says, stop looking for happiness in the same place you lost it, on the back of the tag. I love stuff like that. Flax does that too, where they hide little like motivational quotes. So anyway, we'll see what I can get for those. I didn't realize that there was a lot of wear on the back. All right, this is Michael Stars. Michael Stars retails for a lot. It was $2, and it is this just like dolman sleeve. The sleeves have slits. Just a very nice basic V-neck. I might actually try this on. I don't know. It's very soft. I bet there's modal in it. Let me look and see. Nope, it's rayon spandex. It's made in the USA. But last year I went on a road trip to Leavenworth, which is like a town that looks like it's from Europe. It's like Bavarian themed. And I hiked a mountain. I did all kinds of stuff. I will link one of the videos up here, and then in like 10 seconds I will link the other video if you guys want to watch. I did vlog those trips. So anyway, the whole point of that was in Leavenworth, I went into a store and there was Michael Stars for like $200 new. And I was like, damn, I find that for like $1. Okay, next. I think this day was one of those days where like you're not finding a lot. So you kind of buy some things that you don't necessarily need just because you want to get something. Because some of the stuff I'm like, I don't know if this is really worth it. Okay, so this is Bugatti, which is expensive, but I realized that a lot of these things, like, you know, the retail value are not the same. It was $3. It is a tie. It does not feel like silk. It just feels like cotton, kind of. This gives me like Taco Bell cup vibes from the 90s. Anyway, let's see. Oh, it's 100% Italian silk. Does it feel like silk? 2 more items. This is a YSL, Yves Saint Laurent. I'm still gonna list these. They take up no space. $3. It's 100% silk, made in the USA. It's this like linked kind of print. Yeah, so I am gonna list those myself. And then this last item I'm going to send into the Real. So I will link one of my Real videos up here. I have a couple, but I've had good and really bad luck on there. The one thing I did have good luck on with the Real is when I sent in a suit. It was a YSL suit and it sold for $180 and my profit was $99, and I'd paid like $3 for the suit. So this was $5. And it's just a suit jacket, and the brand has really cool buttons. They're like bronze and like regal looking. All right, let's see. It's Oscar de la Renta. I hope you can see that. So I actually had gotten a suit in that estate sale haul that was Oscar de la Renta, and I sent it in. That was, I can't remember if that was before or after this, I don't know. But it was, they sent it back to me saying that they didn't accept that brand, even though that brand is on their brands list. So I'll send this in and hopefully they take it, because I have a lot of suits. I really don't want to have any more. So, all right. That is the end of this haul. It was a pretty short one. So yeah, I need to get these things listed. If you liked this video, it really only takes a second to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what your favorite latest thrifted item was. It can be anything. It really does help me out a lot. So yeah, okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.